So okay guys, we are going to discuss question number 1079, which is letter tile possible. So let me read out the problem statement. You can also follow along. So it is given you have n tiles, where each tile has one letter printed on it. Return the number of possible non-empty sequence of the letter that you can make using letter printed on it. Now the question is asking, you have given a string, then you have to return the number of possible non-empty sequence possible from this tiles. So all the possible subsequence, sequence that can be possible are like A, B. This is the string. This A, B. The second one, third will be A, then B, A, B. Then it can be A, B. The string itself. Then A, B, A. And one more can be possible, B, A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, A. One more is possible, BA. Okay. So what is the catch in this question? The catch in this question is, like, if you think you have to return the number of possible combination, yeah, it is asking that. But the thing is, if you look all of this possible sequences, you will find that this string is having repeating characters. So if it is repeating character, then their number of combination will be more. Like for this, it can be, you'll think it will be one more A in this, you'll think one more AB will be there, BA will be there. Similarly, this and this, because you'll treat this A as a different character, this A with a different character. But we don't have to do this. So thing is how you will count the number of sequences that are possible and which are unique also, because if you think, if you treat this as a different and this A as a different, so the number of possible combination or sequences will be more. Okay, so how you can keep a track, the thing is how you'll keep the track of the unique sequences. So yeah, you'll think, you'll slowly start thinking to keep a track of unique strings. What you can do, how you can keep unique strings, which data structure supports unique elements if we insert. Just think about that. It will be sets. So yeah, the problem just solved here. It will use set. Simply what we'll do, we'll create a set and we will create an array, or you can say, or we will check if we are taking these characters or not. For example, let me write this because we don't, I think we need this, but yeah, let me write it again if we need it. I hope this is readable now or not. Okay, so you have to use a set where you keep the new strings that you are making. What it will do, it will keep track of unique strings, and you'll use an array also of size, length of the string. So okay, then what you'll do, you will check if we are using this character or not. Initially it will be, everything will be false, or you can say 0 will be much better. Okay, if the character is false, then we can take that character, and it is not used in making a string, the current string that we are making, and we will set it to positive or true if we are using it, and simply it will just solve into case of take or not take. So let me take you to the coding part, that will be more understanding. or I can explain you also. Like we have a string a b, for corresponding we will have an array. This will be our array where every string will be sorry, every character is false. Okay, and like this will be our set. Okay, what we'll do, we'll traverse through this string. We'll check, oh sorry, we will not traverse, you can say. We will travel possible combinations. For that we'll use for loop. We'll check if this is used or not, if it is true or false. So if it is false, then what we'll do, we'll insert in set. Okay, then we insert it. Then what we can do, we can make, and we, after inserting, we can decide we want to make a string with this or not. If we'll make a string with this, what do you want to do? You will make this as a true. Okay, we'll make this as a true. So your current string, if you are taking this, your current string is, let me make it here, your current string is a. Okay, then you'll move or you will call a recursion. Then you'll again come here. Then you'll start checking here if this is true or false. If this is visited or not, you'll see this is visited or we have used. So won't be using. We'll move to the next. We'll check if it is used or not. uh, if it is not used, then we will insert in our answer, and then we can decide to make a string with this or not. If you want to make, it will be this. If you don't want to make, it will be still this. Okay, as simple as that. So similarly, just like taking simple, just like take not take case, we'll keep solving it, and at the last, in the set, you will only have unique strings. And what you have to do, you have to return integer or this number of unique strings. So what you will do, you will return size of that set. Size of set. So let me take you to the coding part, you'll understand it much better.
So this was the question that you were talking, and this is the string that we were having. And this was the example that I told, as you can see. So we'll try to code out the solution. As I told you, first we need a set and create a ordered or unordered set of strings which will store the unique strings. Then we will create a boolean array which will keep track of the character that we are choosing. So to do that, vector will check size will be tiles dot size initialize with false or 0, you can say. Then pass or call the recursive function. Then we'll create that function. Uh, okay. Mm, we'll also pass the string tiles. Then we will also pass the string current string that we have mentioned. So as I told, we will choose a character if it is not in or if it is false in the check vector. If check of I, if it is false, then we can do anything. check of I is false, then what you'll do, then you'll insert in your set. So s dot push, what you'll do, tiles of I. Okay, you'll insert in the string, sorry, in the set. What we'll also do, you'll make that character true as you are choosing that character. So check of I for that character, you'll make it true. Okay, then you'll take that character, then you'll form the string and call the function recursively. So that will be simple. If you take it, so your current string, what it will be, tiles of I. Okay, your set s will pass the remaining arguments. Okay, then what you'll do, this was the case for take condition. If you're forming string by taking that character, if you don't want to take, what you'll do, you'll just pop it out from the back, you can say. Okay, to pop it out, and you'll also make it false, because if you are not taking it, it should be false as you are not considering in the current string. And you can pop it out, current dot pop back, you can use that function till return, or it will remove the last character that you have added. Okay, after doing this, what will be your state of the set? So unordered state, s will be having all the unique strings. Okay, at last what you have to return, you have to return the count, as the return type of the function is int. So you will return size of that set, as it will be having unique strings. Okay, there's some error. There was that we weren't having the name of function. The other thing is, first you will add that character in the string, then you insert that string in our set, and we'll make it true as we are using that character for to make a possible string. Then we will take the case of not including, and we will remove that character.
Like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.
See what's left of me. You gon' see success in me. You ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what